दोस्तों नमस्कार। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप अपने एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी बहुत ही डेडिकेशन से कर रहे होंगे। और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का एसपीए का जो टाइपिंग एग्ज़ाम है वो हो चुका है। और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट उसको बहुत बढ़िया करके आए होंगे। और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि उसमें लीगल पैसेज दिया गया था, कोर्ट के वर्ड्स बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा सुनने में आया कि आए थे। तो अब जो आप एग्जाम की तैयारी करें, उसकी जो स्किल टेस्ट की तैयारी करें, वहां भी आप प्रयास करें कि लीगल वर्ड्स को भी एडिशन बना के चलें, साथ में जनरल पैसेज को भी ऐड करके चलें। तो आज एक दो डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे जो कि लीगल प्लस जनरल डिक्टेशन होगी, और स्पीड मैं कोशिश करूंगा लगभग 110 की बोलने की। तो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। Honorable Speaker Sir, MSME are growth engines of our economy. Micro enterprises with turnover up to rupees 2 crore and certain professionals with turnover of up to rupees 50 lakh can avail the benefit of presumptive taxation. I propose to provide enhanced limits of rupees 3 crore and rupees 75 lakh respectively to the taxpayers whose cash receipts are no more than 5%. Moreover, to support MSMEs in timely receipt of payments, I propose to allow deduction for expenditure incurred on payments made to them only when payment is actually made. Cooperation is a value to be cherished in realizing our Prime Minister's goal of Sahakar Se Samriddhi and his resolve to connect the spirit of cooperation with the spirit of Amrit Kal. In addition to the measures proposed in Part A, I have a set of proposals for the cooperative sector. First, new cooperatives that commence manufacturing activities till 31 March 2024 shall get the benefit of a lower tax rate of 15% as is presently available to new manufacturing companies. Secondly, I propose to provide an opportunity to sugar cooperatives to claim payments made to sugarcane farmers for the period prior to assessment year 2016-17 as expenditure. This is expected to provide them with a relief of almost rupees 10,000 crore para. Thirdly, I am providing a higher limit of rupees 2 lakh per member for cash deposits to and loans in cash by primary agricultural cooperative societies and primary cooperative agriculture and rural development banks. Entrepreneurship is vital for a country's economic development. We have taken a number of measures for startups and they have borne results. India is now the third largest ecosystem for startups globally and ranks second in innovation quality among middle income countries. I propose to extend the date of incorporation for income tax benefits to startups from 31 March 2023 to 31 March 2024. I further propose to provide the benefit of carry forward of losses on change of shareholding of startups from 7 years of incorporation to 10 years. To reduce the pendency of appeals at commissioner level, I propose to deploy about 100 joint commissioners for disposal of small appeals. We shall also be more selective in taking up cases for scrutiny of returns already received this year by the Income Tax Department here. For better targeting of tax concessions and exemptions, I propose to cap deduction from capital gains on investment in residential house under sections 54 and 54F to rupees 10 crore. Another proposal with similar intent is to limit income tax exemption from proceeds of insurance policies with very high value. There are a number of proposals relating to rationalization and simplification. Income of authorities, boards, and commissions set up by statutes of the Union or state for the purpose of housing, development of cities, towns, and villages, and regulating and developing an activity or matter is proposed to be exempted from income tax. Other major measures in this direction are: 1. Removing the minimum threshold of rupees 10,000 for TDS and clarifying taxability relating to online gaming. 2. Not treating conversion of gold into electronic gold receipt and vice versa as capital gain. चलिए ये है 110 से एक या दो कम होगी, यानी कि 108 के आसपास 108 WPM की स्पीड होगी ये लगभग। और शुरू में पहले मिनट में लगभग ये 120 थी, उसके बाद फिर ये 110 पे आई, फिर 110 पे, फिर 110 पे, और फिर थोड़ा सा ये मतलब और थोड़ी सी फ्लक्चुएशन बैलेंस करके ये 5 मिनट 18 सेकंड में लगभग 550 वर्ड है, जबकि वो 5 मिनट में होने चाहिए। तो 110 की नहीं है, ये थोड़ी सी कम है स्पीड। तो अब आप इसको लिखें और प्रयास करें इसको अच्छे से ट्रांसक्राइब करने का, क्योंकि ऐसा जनरल और थोड़े से मिक्स वर्ड्स आते हैं। तो एक पैसेज और लिखेंगे और ये भी लगभग उसी स्पीड का रहेगा, लगभग 105 से 10 की स्पीड का रहेगा ये पैसेज। और पैसेज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, लीगल पैसेज है, जबकि लीगल के साथ मैगजीन के बहुत सारे वर्ड हैं। तो ये इसी तरह के कंबाइन पैसेजेस की आप प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करें, या फिर दोनों की अलग अलग से भी प्रैक्टिस करें। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन, स्टार्ट। Applying the law laid down by this court in the aforesaid decisions to the facts of the case on hand, the appellant cannot be punished for not doing something which was impossible for it to do. There was a legal impediment in the way of the appellant to make any payment during the moratorium. Even if the appellant wanted to deposit settlement amount within the stipulated period, it could not do so in view of the bar under the IBC, as during the moratorium no payment could have been made. In that view of the matter, the appellant cannot be rendered remediless and should not be made to suffer due to a legal impediment which was the reason for it and not doing the act within the prescribed time. Now, so far as the observations made by the High Court to the effect that the High Court cannot, in exercise of powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, extend the period under the scheme 2019 to some extent, the High Court is right. The High Court, while exercising the powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, cannot extend the scheme para. However, in the present case, it is not a case of extension of the scheme by the High Court. It is a case of taking remedial measures. It is not a case where the appellant did not make any application within the stipulated time under the scheme. This is not a case where the form number 3 determining the settlement amount was not issued during the validity of the scheme. It is not a case where the appellant deliberately did not deposit the settlement amount and there was any negligence on the part of the appellant in not depositing the settlement amount within the stipulated time. As observed herein above, it is a case where the appellant was unable to make the payment due to the legal impediment and the bar to make the payment during the period of moratorium in view of the provisions of the IBC. In a given case, it may happen that a person who has applied under the scheme and who was supposed to make payment on or before 30 June 2020 became seriously ill on 29 June 2020 and there was nobody to look after his affairs para and thereafter immediately on getting out of sickness he tried to deposit the amount and approached the court. Can the court close its eyes and say that though there may be valid reasons and causes for that person's inability to make the payment, still no relief can be granted to him? There may be extraordinary cases which are required to be considered on facts of each case. The courts are meant to do justice and cannot compel a person to do something which was impossible for him to do. Now, so far as the other ground given by the High Court that the designated committees are not in existence is concerned, it is required to be noted that the CBCE has issued a circular that in a case where the High Court or courts have passed an order setting aside the rejection of the claim under the scheme. चलिए ये स्पीड है लगभग 115 की, 110 से ये अबव है और शुरू में 120 थी, 120 थी, फिर ये 110 पे, फिर 115 पे, तो ये एवरेज 115 की स्पीड है। और आप अगर एसपीए के एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आपको डेफिनेटली 110 से अबव जाके तैयारी करनी ही चाहिए। अगर आप उससे कम माइंड सेट बना के बैठे हैं या पूरा पूरा इतने पे ही तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो फिर एग्जाम में कहीं फ्लक्चुएट होके आपको प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है। तो प्रयास यही करें कि जितनी स्पीड का टेस्ट हो, अगर आपका पीए का टेस्ट है दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का तो 100 का है तो लगभग 105 110 तक आप तैयारी करें फ्लक्चुएशन की, और 110 का है तो कम से कम 115 या 120 तक आप प्रिपेयर करें। तो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।